Laila Putri Tubahade. Halo teman-teman, udah 2000. Belum dilanjut videonya, subscribe dulu teman-teman di bawah ini.
Kenapa dia main celok baik? Udah selesai teman-teman. Ya. Hati-hati. Naiknya harus pelan-pelan ya. Nanti jatuh kalau nggak pelan-pelan. Naik apa kamu? Kuda apa ya? Kuda cemong.
Cemong mah kucing.
Namanya siapa? Udah.
Mobil.
Kaget. Udah selesai, nggak ada klaksonnya ya? Udah selesai, mas hati-hati. Up, yuk main yang lain. Kamu ketahuan siapa? Tawain ayah, kenapa ya? Ayahnya kayak bocah ya. Geli amat tawanya. Ayo ntar balapan sama ayah ya. Balapan sama ayah. Ayo balapan. Ready? Ready, go. Nggak bisa teman-teman.
Followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
Yuk.
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so
Udah selesai.
the teacher turned it
Yuk.
out, but
Udah ya selesai.
waited patiently about,
Tuh tiket siapa tuh pada jatuh tuh.
patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so? Mary so, Mary so. Why does the lamb love Mary so?
Lalu keluar nggak tiketnya?
Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did.
Aku mau pulang.
Mary had a little lamb, little